This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Jeffrey Woodard. New construction home. Your new house features open floor plan with 2 stories. Dining room, open kitchen fit for a home chef. Featuring high-quality cabinetry, pantry, quartz counters, and stainless steel appliances. Large primary suite with walk-in closet and a balcony to enjoy the Chesapeake Bay. Extra suite and a Jack Jill full bathroom serving the other 2 bedrooms on the 2nd floor. Primary bath has a large tiled shower and double bowl quartz top. Spacious laundry room, ceiling fans in primary and family room. LVP floors throughout the 1st floor and carpet throughout the 2nd floor. Award-winning builder with over 30 years of experience in the home building business. Only 1 block to the beach. Near Little Creek Amphibious Base. Local restaurants and marinas.